Hi there, this is Puya from puyayoga.com. Do you have back pain? Do you spend many hours of your day sitting behind your desk behind the computer and feel some irritation, some pain in your lower back? Then this is a good video for you. Very, very simple exercise as usual. You can already perform it on your chair. We want to start here with wide open legs. If you are flexible, you can open them quite wide. If not, just go as far as you can. Straight back. Place your fingers in the inner part of your thighs or knees. Gently, we want to stretch the back a bit and twist to the left side. You are seeing it from my back, how my back is stretching and at the same time twisting. The idea is not to crack. You might feel a crack. That's totally fine. But the idea is more this is stretch and twist, this whole opening of my lower back. Few seconds in and you want to change. Inhale, I come up. Exhale, I change. So I'm putting my body weight more here on my hands and the weight is going actually directly down to my feet and I'm twisting. The usual posture is that we are leaning more to the back or on our chair, but now we are more straight and forward. Then come to the twist. We do it another round. This time I will show it to you from another view. Here you have your knees as far as possible open. Straight, lean a bit forward, more weight on your hands, and then twist to the left. So actually, the entire spine is twisting. Remember, the body parts are connected. If you feel pain in your lower back, it's not only there, it's about other parts such as your glutes, hamstring, legs, and further. Change to the other side. We are twisting the entire spine. Try to look all the way to the back, beyond your right shoulder. Feel a good opening. And slowly rest again. Feel it. Few seconds, only a few seconds it takes to give your body some boost, change your energy. And the most important part, change the mentality, just boost your mood. If you are sitting for so many hours, these exercises can help a lot. So this was a small taste for lower back pain relief. If you want a full course, you can check the description below. I will tag my lower back pain relief course. You can find all these most effective exercises to relieve back pain. Thank you for joining. I see you very soon. Till next time.